How to move text cursor to a specific location in the editable text on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then open up a note application or an app that you can edit the text. In here, you want to make sure you bring up the keyboard. Once the keyboard has appeared on the screen, then to move the cursor around the text, what you want to do is touch and hold on the spacebar key, and then you can now drag around the screen. You can see here as I drag my finger around the keyboard, the cursor up here also move. So now move the cursor to a specific location that you want and then let go. And that's it. That is how you can move the cursor to a specific location in the text on your iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.